facebook.com/library. To claim your URL, you need to add a meta tag to your HTML's head tag and then add the URL to your settings. All the information you need to this can be found in the instant articles setting. Step 4. Create articles. In testing, Facebook discovered that publishers want to single tool publish articles to the web, mobile apps, or any other places readers see their content. As such, articles can be published directly from your content management system. There's no need to recreate the articles within Facebook. You can sync your blog with instant articles via Facebook publishing tools and RSS feed or by using an API. Here's a quick rundown of the options available. Connecting with WordPress. If you use WordPress to power your blog, Facebook has created a plugin to streamline the process of creating instant articles. This is likely to be the quickest and easiest way to who get set up with an instant articles. For a step-by-step guide on connecting your blog using the WordPress plugin, check out this article. Publishing tools. Alongside the WordPress plugin, Facebook has teamed up with many publishing platforms to create seamless integration with articles. Publishing tools including integrations with Drupal, AdaVist, Medium, Pug Distributed, Rebel Mouse. Share this Sworn, Stellar, Tempest. Find the full details here. RSS feed. If you aren't using WordPress or another CMS supported by Facebook publishing tools, you cannot connect your content to Facebook through an RSS feed. An RSS feed can integrate seamlessly with Facebook, with new posts being automatically syndicated as instant articles wherever you hit publish. To enable publishing from an RSS feed, you must from an RSS feed, you must configure your content management system to generate a new RSS feed, which contains the full content of each article in instant article makeup. You may need a developer to help with formatting the feed. A guide to formatting RSS feed in instant article markup can be found here. API that The API allows you to create, publish, update, and delete instant articles directly from your content management page system. Provides an excellent alternative to connect via RSS. So right now we are going to know how to start a Facebook page, Meta Business Help Center. Instant articles, Creator Studio, quick articles. The guide outlines the quickest way to set up instant articles with Creator Studios, where you can produce, monetize, share, and measure. Okay, this is not the Facebook article. Create a Facebook business page here. So, how to create a Facebook business page in easy 7 steps. If you have a business, you need a Facebook page with 1.82 billion daily active users. Facebook is simply not a social network you can ignore. Perhaps that's why more than 200 million businesses use Facebook free services. That includes Facebook pages. Yes, creating Facebook page is a free way to market your business. The good news is creating a Facebook page for a business is pretty simple, and you already have all the components you need to get started. Let's dive in. If you rather watch than read, watch this video to learn create a Facebook page. Table of contents, what is Facebook page, how to create a Facebook page, etc. etc. So what is a business page? A Facebook page is a public Facebook account that can be used by brands, organizations, artists and public figure. Businesses use pages to share content information, post, update, share, uh, more, perhaps most importantly, connect with their Facebook audience. Pages cannot be reconnected to Facebook ad account and Facebook shops. How to create Facebook page for business? Before you can sign up